क्या है एसिड्स? क्या है एसिड्स? दो सब्सटेंस which are nature के sour in nature. And if I ask about base, bitter. Yes, bitter and soapy in nature. तो ये basics हमने पढ़े. Apart from that, what did we look for? Did we look for indicators? Yes. कितने तरह के indicators roughly याद है आपको? Yes, litmus is an indicator. फिर yes, olfactor is an indicator. Very good. और turmeric is a natural indicator. Is litmus a natural indicator? Yes. It is derived from what? Leachate. Yes. Which is a algae. Yes. It is actually a combined symbiosis from algae and the fungus. We'll go to that later. Oh, actually, question में नहीं है इसका. Okay. So litmus is there. Then olfactor indicator is there. You said about turmeric. Then after one more. Yes, rose extract is there. और दो है. We spoke about two chemicals also. Phenoxylate and methyl orange. Yes. उसके बाद what did we speak? उसके बाद क्या पढ़ा था हमने? Yes, we did discuss a bit about strong acids and weak acids. Strong base and weak base. A few examples of strong acids were given. Strong base were given. A few examples of weak acids and weak base were also given. ठीक है? So from this we understand that our day-to-day life में we see a lot of acids and bases. Right? यहाँ तक okay है? Till this discussion कोई doubt है? No. ठीक है, but आगे हम थोड़ा चलते हैं. We will look through what are the important things that we have to go through. So these are acids. Examples जैसे हमने देखा था. There are acids. Acids like lemon, vinegar, tamarind, amla. What are these basically? Are they strong acids? No. What are they called? Weak acids. Yes, weak acids. Acids which are found in our nature. These are all acids. If we talk about base, what are they? Soap, baking soda, lime water, washing soda. All these are examples of weak bases. Now there is one more term that is denoted here, that is neutral. Neutral means substances which are neither acids nor base. Now वो acidic होते हैं ना basic होते हैं. Then what are these? We can say that those substances which does not show any type of change in any indicator. If we have to simply say, मान लेते हैं litmus लेते हैं. If I take a blue litmus paper, कैसा litmus? Blue litmus. Blue litmus किसके काम आता है? What does it identify? Acid. Exactly. Acid. So if I dip this into the solution, lemon solution, क्या color आएगा? Red आएगा. But if I dip it into soap solution, no change आएगा. If I dip it in like water or not tap water. Tap water हल्का acidic होता है. Neutral water आता है, which is called distilled water. Distilled water is processed water. ना उसमें acid है, ना कोई base है, ना कोई mineral है, कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing is there. तो उसको पी सकते. You can drink it, but अगर आप persistently distilled water पियोगे ना, आपको dehydration होगा. Because hydration also means mineral content आपके body में जाना चाहिए. ठीक है? Extremely pure water पियोगे तो आपका body dehydrate हो जाता है. So you usually do not drink distilled water. वो chemicals and इसके laboratory processes के लिए use होता है. Okay? Then what? If you dip the litmus into water, तो क्या होगा? What will happen? Will there any change or तो change आएगा? Let's take a red litmus paper. Red litmus paper लेकर अगर हम विनेगर में लेमन में डुबाएंगे, चेंज आएगा? क्यों चेंज नहीं आएगा? Yes, वो एसिडिक है और लिटमस हम यूज कर रहे हैं, बट इट ओनली इंडिकेट्स अ सिंगल थिंग, राइट? एक ही चीज को डिनोट कर रहा है, दूसरा वाला है पता नहीं चला ना बेस है या न्यूट्रल है. सो व्हाट एल्स कैन वी यूज? वी कैन यूज सम इंडिकेटर्स व्हिच चेंजेस कलर अंडर बोथ सर्कमस्टेंसेस. यानी कि जो रेड रोज एक्सट्रैक्ट है, which we will discuss further, ये रेड रोज है ना, रेड रोज, उसके अंदर जो पिगमेंट देता है, रोज को जो रेड कलर का पिगमेंट देता है, दैट इज आल्सो वेरी गुड इंडिकेटर. इट इज अ वेरी नाइस इंडिकेटर. अगर एसिड